Hey guys, it's been 5 months since my last upload. Actually, it wasn't really a real upload, it was actually reels. I did reels, I tried out the function, I thought it was pretty cool, thought it was pretty fun. But actually, it's been 9 months since my last upload, and it's been quite a time for me, with COVID taking a back seat, everything opening up. I've just been really busy. I say that all the time. The good people at GPBIKES actually reached out and asked me if I was interested in their latest Dahon. So before Brompton, before Birdies, I think especially in Singapore, I think the older peeps will actually know of this brand called Dahon. And Dahon has actually been around the market. I mean, they were one of the first few. And in fact, if I remember correctly, one of the first bikes that my father-in-law actually asked me was, "Hey Jay, is that a Dahon bike?" Well, I said, "No, it's a Brompton." But anyway, today's video is all about the Dahon, and I'm gonna do an unboxing with you guys. So today is a very cool way of making the video. I'm actually trying out the new OM5 with the DJ mic, and it's pretty cool, man. Got it clipped over here. I find it a lot better than the Rode Wireless for two reasons. I've got a mic 1 and mic 2. The setup is extremely simple. Turn up the gain and boom, I'm done. And the OM5 keeps me in focus. And like right now, if I were to come this way, the camera automatically moves, and that is awesome. So now this is what I'm gonna do. Lauren, it's fine, it's okay, not yet, it's fine. I'll let you know when I need you. So I'm gonna unbox this for you guys. Leah, it's fine, it's okay. Go do your stuff. Okay, I'm gonna unbox it. So my daughters were actually happily trying to volunteer their services, but I told them it's okay. So this is the latest Marina D8 in Quicksilver. It's 8-speed. All right. This is the inside. Okay, wait. Don't think you guys can see. It comes nicely boxed. So if you actually get a Marina D8 from GPBIKES, you might want to ask them to fully assemble everything. If not, you would need some tools to put everything together. But it should be pretty straightforward. So actually, this one comes pre-assembled. And let me just show you guys the inside. So this is the inside. It comes pre-assembled. This is the Marina D8, and everything comes out like so. Okay, just gonna wait. I need a pen knife. Okay, this is my trusty Milwaukee pen knife. Just gonna let's see what's inside. All right, it's got the owner's manual, fold and unfold. It's got some, let's see, it's got some stickers. All right. Since I'm so familiar with foldable bikes, let me just try to remove this. Okay, well, this is looking a bit scary. I hope I don't cut myself on camera. This is done. This is the seat post. A Dahon branded saddle. All right. Gonna remove this as well. This is the Quicksilver color. I probably mentioned it already. Hey. So my daughter is actually behind the camera now, and she's helping me film. So my YouTube career, hopefully, this is a turning point. At least I have my daughter behind the camera. Okay, let's see. Let's try the unfold. Okay, I'm going to just do this. Wow. Okay, like this, like so. This one get done. Boom. Oops. First time attempting to do the fold, and this is a spring action, and this makes sure that This will ensure that this thing doesn't actually unravel. Okay, it's again an improvement from some of the other foldable bikes that I've used. Let me just remove these things here. And I'm going to remove this dangly thing here. All right. So when you see the brakes in this manner, you can very simply do this, I assume, and adjust it accordingly. And once it's done, you just push it back down. And honestly, I think you're good to go, but let's pull out the what do you call this? Pedals. Damn! It's been a while since I've done a review. Bicycle pedals. Foldable, like so. And this, I think we're ready to go, man. I think we are ready to go. And it comes with Schwalbe Citizen tires. Now these are really good tires out of the box. These illuminate, it's reflective at night, so it's a safety feature. It's pretty awesome. Okay, the brakes feels superb. Right, let's just put the seat post on. Okay. All right. And this thing right here is probably a feature. Maybe I can just do this. Nope. 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 Yep. That's supposed to stabilize the bicycle when it's getting transported to you. So this is just redundant. You can just remove it. And gentlemen, presenting to you the Marina D8. It looks pretty awesome. I've removed all the stickers and everything. I'm just gonna run through the entire bike with you guys. It's got fenders, front fenders. It's got let's see, it's got a rear fender as well. It's got a rear carrier as well, so you can basically carry stuff like so. Oh, it's a nice catch here as well. As you can see down here. All right, it's a nice purpose-built catch for this elastic thingy. Okay, let me just put this back. And as you can see, this is the Marina D8. Comes with all these fancy embellishments. Sorry guys, I'm still not so familiar with the OM5. So, and thank you very much for holding the bicycle. So let's take this thing out for a test ride. Oh my god, I just saw something. This thing comes with the integrated stand.
What?
Woohoo!
I didn't see it.
Yeah, so I mean, this is actually extremely well thought out.
A stealth stand.
Well, exactly.
Awesome.
I didn't have to hold the thing.
Okay, yeah, that's true. Sorry. Okay, so to demo the bicycle, I'm gonna get. Yeah, it's fine. I'm gonna get Lauren to. Yeah, just flick it up. To go for a test ride.
Okay.
Let me know what you think, okay? My god, you've grown like so much taller and way bigger for the frame of my camera. Try changing the gears.
Like very smooth, like despite
Really?
changing the gears. Like yeah, I don't really feel like it being like kind of like bumpy when I change it. It's just like very smooth.
Really?
Like yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and it isn't hard to like pedal for like even like one of the hardest gears. So it's still good.
Okay. Okay. First impression. Let's go. Okay, I forgot to adjust the seat, but it's fine. Whoa! This has a very, very positive pedal feel right out of the box. Gear changes are very, very smooth. Good job, man. This is a very nice bicycle to own. Once again, thank you GP Bikes for this Marina D8, and I think your customers are gonna love it. So if anyone is looking for a Marina D8, go check out GP Bikes, and I'm pretty sure they will be able to set you up with a Dahon just like this. Okay, I'm gonna do a fold for the D8. Just unlock this catch and then do this, and as you can see here, it's got two little magnets that you can just align, and this thing comes down. Oh, sorry. So I should be doing this first. My God, it was that easy. The fold was done. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the review. I was actually pleasantly surprised with the Dahon D8, and it's definitely a foldable that's worth considering if you haven't already purchased one. Everything is all Dahon branded, you know, and it rides smooth out of the box. It folds beautifully, and not just that, it comes with the Schwalbe Citizen tires, so that's really neat. If you have been riding for as much as I have, you would know that tires play a very, very big role in both comfort, safety, as well as traction. But other than that, I am really impressed with the Marina D8. Now, having said that, I just wanted to do another shout out to, again, GP Bikes for sponsoring the bicycle, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I did reviewing it together with my daughters. They've all grown up now, man. I mean, time really, really flies, and I'm just getting used to the quirks of the OM5. That's it for today, and I see you guys soon. Bye.